Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a startup pitch with pitch deck, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by understanding your audience. Research the investors or potential partners you will be pitching to. Identify the key elements they look for in a pitch deck. Begin with a compelling elevator pitch. This should concisely describe your startup and its mission. Next, create a strong problem statement. Clearly outline the specific problem your startup aims to solve. Follow this with your solution. Explain how your product or service addresses the problem effectively. Provide a unique value proposition. Highlight what makes your solution different from existing alternatives. After the solution, present your market opportunity. Use data to demonstrate the size and potential of your target market. Then, move to your business model. Describe how your startup plans to make money. Next, showcase your traction. Include any milestones, user growth, or partnerships that validate your progress. After that, introduce your competitive landscape. Identify key competitors and explain your competitive advantages. Now, present your marketing and sales strategy. Outline how you plan to reach your target customers. Moving on, introduce your team. Highlight the key people involved and their relevant experience. After the team, outline your financial projections. Provide realistic forecasts including revenue, expenses, and profit margins. Conclude with your funding request. Clearly state how much funding you are seeking and its intended use. Review your pitch deck for clarity and coherence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.